Okay, let's look at combination of these circuits what we have studied, clamper and peak detector, which is what we call voltage multiplier. Okay, so we cascade the two circuits, clamper and peak detector. What we will get at the output, we get voltage multiplier. We can double the voltage or triple the voltage, 4 times, 5 times we can go on. Okay, n times we can make. What I mean is, if you give a signal at the input, if you give a signal at input which has a value, maximum value Vm, uh, if you give Vm, then you can have at the output 2 Vm, 3 Vm, 4 Vm maximum value kind of signals. Same thing you can have in -2 Vm, -3 Vm, -4 Vm. So this kind of signals you can have at the output, which calls as voltage multiplier. Okay, so it takes the input voltage and multiplies with some numeric number, just like amplifying type. Okay, so uh, it can be made by using two circuits, one clamper and then peak detector. So we have individually studied this before. So if you will attach clamper circuit and then a peak detector, what you will get at the output? Let's say your Vi is this input signal, which is between Vm and -Vm, a square wave signal. Okay, this part is negative clamper circuit, one capacitor with followed by diode. Okay, capacitor and diode. So this is called as negative clamper circuit, and this part we have seen when the diode is here and capacitor is here and the diode is in reverse manner. So negative peak detector. This is negative clamper, this much part, and then this much part is negative peak detector. So how it will go? You have this signal, so the negative clamper will clamp the signal downwards because it is in diode is in downward direction. By what will be the reference voltage? It is 0 volt because there is no reference voltage, it is 0. So below 0 it will shift the input signal, so that is what you will get at the output with the amplitude -2m and 0. This is the output here at this position. Okay, here. And if you will give this input to a negative peak detector, it will detect the negative peak. So that is what you will get at the output. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So in between these two, you can see I have applied Vi with voltage Vm, maximum voltage Vm, and what I got in the output is a DC which is of -2 Vm. Okay, so it is doubling the voltage in negative direction, so it is multiplying the voltage with this factor 2 and it's in negative direction, so negative voltage multiplier. Okay, so I don't think there is any other explanation I should give, because we both the circuits we have studied individually. So now you can imagine that how things might be working. Okay, so this is a negative voltage multiplier. Like negative voltage multiplier, we have positive voltage multiplier as well. Okay, where we will connect positive and positive clamper and peak detector circuit. So we'll see that. Okay, now on the similar note, you can also have positive voltage multiplier. Okay, so I've just changed the way diode was connected. I flipped this diode, and what I've got is, this is my positive clamper circuit and this is my positive peak detector circuit. Okay, so now what will happen, if you have input signal like this between Vm to -Vm, it will shift above because the diode is in upward direction, so it will shift and the reference voltage is 0, so above 0 everything will shift. So 0 line, this is 2 Vm, this is because of positive clamper, Now this circuit will be passed to positive peak detector, and what will happen is you will get 2 Vm output. Okay, so you are applying Vm value input, maximum value Vm, and at the output you are getting 2 Vm. Okay, so you can see it's a positive voltage multiplier because it multiplies the voltage with 2 and in positive direction, so plus 2 Vm. So that is how you can combine these two circuits and make a voltage multiplier. Okay, okay, now one caution point I want to mention here about voltage multipliers is be careful when you connect these two circuits. Okay, so if you connect negative clamper with positive peak detector circuit, negative clamper because diode is in downward direction, and positive peak detector, you can see diode is in forward bias, in forward direction. Okay, so if you give this signal, the negative clamper will shift it below 0, and positive peak detector will detect 0 voltage instead of this voltage, because it's a positive peak detector, not negative peak detector, and that's the reason you will get 0 at the output. Similarly, if you have positive clamper connected to negative peak detector, the same thing will happen. If you have this signal Vi, and the positive clamper will shift above 0. Okay, and negative peak detector will detect the negative value, this minimum value it will detect. Positive and negative peak detector detects maximum and minimum values. Okay, so 0 here also it is detecting 0 because it was positive peak detector and all the values were negative. Here positive value was only 0 and maximum was 0. Okay, here also the minimum it will detect, minimum is 0, and that's the reason you will get at the output 0 voltage. Okay, so V0 will be 0, V0 will be 0. So to conclude is let's say conclusion, I will write from here. So positive plus positive will give positive multiplier, negative plus negative give negative multiplier, else 0. Okay, this positive is clamp, and this is peak detector. If you connect positive clamper with positive peak detector, you will get positive multiplier. If you connect negative clamper with negative peak detector, it will get negative multiplier. If you connect positive with negative or negative with positive clamper and peak detector, you will get 0. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you, and this is a caution point. So be careful when you see voltage multipliers. Check how the arrangement is and then decide what will be the output. Okay.